viewers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. This is a 1982 Hoover Junior U1104, and yes, I finally have one. I've been after one of these for a very long time. Any U1104 I really wanted, but to find one with the brown bag, really rare apparently. I thought, oh yes, I've struck gold here. Anyway, how I came across this machine, well, it was a very different story at the beginning. Basically, on eBay it was a U1104, not this one, but another one with the beige bag. Now, I wanted it and I made an offer for it, and the seller reluctantly turned down the offer, but accepted somebody else's offer on the same web page that I'm on, and then found that after the seller accepted the offer for this guy, the item was still selling on eBay, so we knew it was a con, or the seller didn't know what they were doing. So a nice bloke came to me, and you know who you are, he came to me and he offered this machine for 50 quid for me to purchase, and it came with attachments as well. It came with attachments, but we're only interested in this machine for now. But yeah, he sold me it for 50 quid, and what you didn't see is as soon as I got it, I put a new brush bar in it, new belt, new bag, paper bag, new cable. Now of course these aren't new, these all came off my U1036, my custom U1036, because this has replaced it. So I haven't got the U1036 anymore, I've just got parts of it, like the motor and bits and bobs off it. So, and I gave it a really good clean. This was all last night, but the film corrupted itself and I lost the footage, so there's no evidence of it at all, but I did give it a good clean with disinfectant and water and a sponge and then a microfiber cloth. Give it a good wipe over, and no scuffs on it. There are bits of, you know, used marks all over it and such, but it's in better condition than what it was. So what we're going to do for you guys is we are going to give it a go and see what it can do. Okay. for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Brilliant machine, absolutely fantastic. It rumbled the carpet like it should. Picked up everything. I mean, it literally picked up everything off the carpet. Fantastic machine. You know who you are, who sold me it. Thank you so much for selling me it. Seeing that post, seeing what I was going through, realising that I really wanted a U1104. Thank you so much. Really, really appreciate it. And I hope I've made you proud in how well she looks now, and quite better than what she did look like. Give her a good clean up, I know that for sure. So, like, subscribe, and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.